In this episode, PogoPlug Pro, SUSE joins the Amazon cloud, and Ubuntu 10.10. Quick Surf Internet Media presents Linux News Log, separating the Linux and open source signal from the noise. Hey everybody, how's it going? I'm your host Adrian, coming to you almost live from lovely Phoenix, Arizona. Linux News Log is a proud member of the Tech Podcast Network. If it's tech gets here, do feel free to head on over to techpodcast.com and check out all the other technology-related shows. Let's go ahead and get into the stories for Season 11, Episode 12. From Electronista, PogoPlug outs a Pro version with integrated Wi-Fi. Cloud Engine's ever-evolving PogoPlug network drive sharing device is now available in a new version as the PogoPlug Pro. It differentiates from the standard version by its unique black case and a built-in 802.11n Wi-Fi radio. The Linux-powered box can stream content to a PS3 or Xbox 360 as well as other devices while still connecting external hard drives to the internet. So this is actually really cool stuff. I've wanted to get a PogoPlug or at least try one out for a while, and now they've got a Pro version with wireless, which makes it even more attractive. From IT Pro, SUSE Linux joins the Amazon cloud. Amazon Web Services has added Novell's SUSE Linux to its Elastic Compute Cloud, otherwise known as EC2 portfolio. This will be a boost for Novell at a time when it's believed to be actively seeking acquisition offers, but it raises the point of whether Linux in the Amazon cloud is cheaper than Windows. Good point. As with everything cloud, the view is somewhat misty. So only time will tell with regards to this, but still nonetheless, time will tell. But now you can get Linux in the cloud. At least Amazon's cloud. From linuxplanet.com, I ran across this article, 4 archiving tools for Linux server admins. This is pretty handy. Tar. It's been getting a tar ball, Zip. Zip is another one. Bzip 2, and gzip. So pretty neat. Check it out. They've got how to use it on the command line, the syntax and all that other good stuff. It's a pretty nice article for reference. From Electronista, Super One Click roots most Android phones with one button. One button. Root your Android phone. Nice. The process of opening up Android phones took a major step forward with Sunday's launch of Super One Click. As hinted by the name, the crack can expose root level access on most Android phones, including Android 2.2 devices, with a single button. Wow. Check it out if you want to root your phone. If you don't, then don't. From cnetnews.com and their business tech section, Ubuntu 10.10 desktop reaches through the cloud. Now, October 10th, 2010, 10.10.10 was when Ubuntu 10.10 has been released. I'm recording this Monday, the 11th. So it's been released. The next version of Ubuntu Linux for desktops and netbooks will launch Sunday. Yay. Already launched, actually. With new cloud features, an updated interface, and better links with other operating systems, Canonical has announced. Software known as Maverick Meerkat, I love it, will both be versions 10.10 of the Linux distribution. The company said yesterday they will be available for free download from October 10th, sidestepping the usual Thursday release window to tie the launch in with the 10.10.10 date stamp. Yes! Awesome. So anyway, pretty good stuff. Check it out. Ubuntu is one of my favorite distros, 10.10. Obviously, I've not had a chance to play with it yet because I was sick over the weekend, and I actually was sick the last part of last week. But, it's pretty good stuff. From advertisertalk.com, Linux Professional Institute certification has been adopted by public schools in Spain. This is kind of nice. The LPI has announced its affiliate organization, LPI-Spain, a program in public schools in Spain to promote Linux education and certification and it's achieved successful results in its first 6 months of operation. This is pretty neat. The public education initiative with Proyecto Universidad Empresa, PUE, has recruited close to 20 training partners. So pretty cool stuff. Check it out, especially if you're in Spain. It's been a light news week, so I've only got 6 articles here, but I just want to remind everybody, by all means, if you're going to Blog World New Media Expo, I will be there Saturday on the show floor, on the expo floor, roaming, doing interviews. I've got my interview rig. Woohoo! I'm just missing the camcorder on top here, which I'm actually shooting with right now. So if you see me running around with my rig, by all means, I'll interview you, or if you want to meet and greet, that's cool too. And with that, follow me on Twitter, twitter.com/Adrian_Bacon, and I will see all of you next week after Blog World. So I'll see you then. Bye.